This video will walk you through a quick overview of the faculty self-service dashboard in Experience. 4 step-by-step tutorials that go in depth on each function. Be sure to check out our dedicated feature videos. On your dashboard, find the Faculty Self-Service card and select Open Faculty Dashboard to open your Faculty Services homepage. This landing page contains all your essential academic management tasks, organized into distinct sections. First is Rosters, where you will view class lists and manage midterm and final grades. The Faculty Tools section contains your teaching schedule, detailed class information, weekly overview, office hours, and current assignments. Next, if you are an advisor, you will see the Advising section, allowing you to access assigned advisee schedules and academic profiles. Finally, My Account displays your personal details. Remember that all personal information updates must be completed in Workday. To head back to your main Experience dashboard at any time, simply select the University of Mississippi logo in the upper left corner of the screen. Questions? For help with the Faculty Self-Service dashboard, email ftdc@olemiss.edu. Call 662-915-7918 or visit their support page.